The German economy is one of the strongest in the world. It represents high-tech and quality. Many products manufactured in Germany contain mineral resources that have to be imported. For example, for technologies for expanding renewable energies and electromobility. High global demand for mineral and energy resources and competition for them mean that it's becoming increasingly difficult to procure them.
The secure and long-term security of supply is of major importance to the German economy and to the German manufacturing industry. The German Mineral Resources Agency was formed in 2010 to support activities by German companies for them to counteract raw material, price and supply risks.
The German Mineral Resources Agency is based in Berlin. DERA is part of the BGR, the Federal Institute for Geosciences and Natural Resources. BGR has decades of expertise in the mineral resource sector, which DERA builds on. DERA's core task is informing and advising the German economy and German politics on all issues relating to mineral resources. We've seen in recent years how important having a strong industrial base is for the German economy. A solid industrial base needs raw materials for processing. Without them, the wheels of industry stop turning. This underlines the significance of ensuring a secure supply of raw materials for German industry. It's here that DERA plays a key role with their know-how. Factors such as this make DERA the envy of many foreign countries. As a processor of zinc as a raw material, I'm very pleased to have access to this know-how. In their work, the DERA experts take into account Germany's interest in sustainable mining conditions in producer countries, responsible and efficient usage, and recovery through recycling. The unique information and advice provided is an essential basis for assessing the international mineral resource markets by DERA experts. Their extensive knowledge of market supply and demand enables them early on to recognize potential price and supply risks and indicate alternative strategies to German companies.
A good example for our advisory in the field of supply security are our studies on the rare earth markets. Our search for new supply sources and accompanying dialogues and industry workshops have contributed to the fact that today most of the German manufacturers who are using rare earth in their applications are developing new supply strategies.
National and international cooperation promotes links between governmental and economic levels. This is what DERA stands for and works for. Its experts are there on site to identify new mineral resource potentials, because such projects can lead to business relations with new suppliers, or the involvement of German companies in extracting mineral resources abroad.
The German Federation of International Mining and Mineral Resources, just called FAB, and the 70 member companies are continuously looking for mining and mineral resources potentials abroad. In this regard, we are working closely together with the German Mineral Resources Agency, who provides valuable analysis of international mineral resources projects.
DERA also advises German companies on the development of new strategies. One of the goals in this regard is long-term supply agreements at stable prices. Based on targeted studies, DERA delivers information about current developments on international mineral resource markets. DERA provides an important contribution for our society to the sustainable supply of raw materials and to the future viability of Germany's technology sector.